So if you're anything like me, you're a very busy dad, you really care about your kids and you want them to get ahead in life and have a good education. But you don't always have the time to either read the science paper that came out or child psychology or the best educational methods so that you could help your kid with their homework. So what I decided to do is to ask ChatGPT to offer some help. And I'm just going to shoot this really quick video where I show you how I use ChatGPT as a tool, as an educational tool for my daughter. So here's an entry I had. I said, what are some good examples of mnemonics for 6-year-old girls? It gave me a whole bunch of them. Some of them, like I already knew, like for rainbow colors, Roy G. Biv, the planets of the solar system. My very eager mother just served us noodles. My daughter asked me, what's eager? So, I kind of had to change it to excited. But that's fine, right? And this is to remember Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Did you like that? My very excited mother just served us noodles?
Yeah, it was funny.
Yeah, that was a funny one, right? There's other songs. Months of the year. January has 31 days. February 28, March 31, April, May, June 30.
Special.
How do you spell special? Special. Oh God, I suddenly can't think how to write it. Okay, I have to type it. Special. Okay, you know what? So this is a perfect example. Right now, my daughter asked me, how do you spell special? So you can ask ChatGPT. Can you explain to a 6-year-old how to write the word special? Now, I asked her to sound it out, and she tried to spell it as special. So let's see what ChatGPT 4 has to say about that. When teaching a 6-year-old how to spell the word special, it's essential to break it down into smaller parts and use simple explanations. Start by acknowledging her effort. Great try! You almost got it! Does that sound real? The word special can be a bit tricky, but let's break it down together. Now break the word down into syllables. The word special has 2 parts per syllable, spe and shol. Now focus on the first syllable. The first part is spe, just like you spelled it. Good job. S-P-E, right? Now the second syllable, let's look at the second part. It's called shol, not shall. It sounds a bit like sh, sh, but we actually spell it with a C and an I. So it's C-I-A-L. Okay? Can you try again? Just pretend. You don't actually have to do it for the video. Good. Now that we've gone through the word together, can you try to spell special again? Say it out loud.
Special.
Yeah, spell it.
So, S-P.
ChatGPT, that didn't work. My daughter didn't learn it. God! Oh, now I'm gonna have to go beat her. Get back here. Come. Oh, don't hit me. Sorry. Don't hit me. Anyways, good try, ChatGPT. I don't blame you. I know it's tough being a parent. Anyways, back to the previous entry. The months of the year. Then we had the alphabet. ABC songs, obviously that's common. Basic math. Okay, so this one's actually that caught my attention. So it says to use simple rhymes to help remember math facts. For example, it said 2 times 2 is always 4, close the door. Or 5 and 5 are always 10, say it again. And I was like, oh, that's a pretty clever way. So I tried and said, okay, let's make some basic math mnemonics for a kindergarten girl in the 6th grade. I meant to say who's 6 years old, but anyways. She loves cats and animals and hates dogs, loves pink and purple, hates blue and yellow. Right?
Yeah, actually, I can't wait to say that.
Yeah, she likes yellow, but we wanted to say that. Anyway, so then I came up with some math mnemonics for a kindergarten girl in 6th grade who loves cats, animals, pinks, and purple. So she gave me addition and subtraction, which is really good. But then it started going for multiplication, which actually are pretty good.
Yeah, because I'm still in kindergarten, not in 6th grade.
Yeah, but have you done division? No, have you done division yet? No, probably not, right? And multiplication? Yeah, I don't think she's done that. Although she can do 2 times 2. What's 2 times 4? 2.
4. That's like 2 times.
2 times that. Again, it's big. What's 3 times 3 without reading it?
Times 3?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's 3 times 3?
I don't know. I don't know any things that are time.
Exactly. So that was my mistake because I told that you were a kindergarten girl in 6th grade.
I kindergarten girl in 6th grade. What does that mean when you're in 6th grade but you're also in kindergarten?
Okay, so let's ask again. Let's make some basic math mnemonics for a kindergarten girl that's 6 years old. That's what I meant to say.
And only the 6th grade.
Okay, so she loves cats and animals, hates dogs, loves pink and purple, hates blue and yellow.
But delete the yellow.
Yeah, because yellow is nice. Hates blue.
Yeah.
Come on, you know blue is nice, right? Okay, so are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's see what it comes up with. Here's some math mnemonics tailored for a 6-year-old kindergarten girl who loves cats. Addition: 2 pink cats plus 3 more. Meow meow, meow meow meow. Now we've got 5 cats to a door. 4 purple bunnies on the floor. 1 hopped in, now there are 5, that's for sure. 1 little cat, 2 little cats, 3 little cats in pink hats. Oh, 4 purple butterflies, 5 purple butterflies, 6 purple butterflies dancing in the skies. What do you think of these? Can you say it in words? Because I don't think they can see you.
Like it.
You like them? Well, there you go, guys. So if you need some help with homeschooling or teaching your kids, just ask ChatGPT. All right, we're going to end this video here.
Wait.
Yes?
You don't have to do the same if I like.
You don't have to do
You
what?
have to do the same if I like.
Oh, yeah. You don't have to do the same ones that she likes. You can customize it to whatever your kids like, right? That's a good idea. All right. Well, do you want to say anything to the video for YouTube subscribers?
Please like and subscribe, hopefully.
Please like and subscribe. Don't forget that. I always forget that. Thank you. Anything else?
Press the notification bell.
Oh, press the notification bell. That's a good one. If you're a pro, maybe you should be the one saying that. All right. Thank you. And see you guys. What else? Did you have any other ideas? What about leave a comment? I know kids YouTube, you can't leave a comment, but here you can. Oh, we might not be able to because you're featured here, so I might have to cut you out. I'll just pretend she's not here. Ooh. Hey, don't hurt me. Oh, God. Okay. Have kids, they said. It'll be fun, they said. All right, we'll see you guys until next time. See you guys.